Welcome to our little adventure today, where we took the boat down with the children to Geilston Bay, which is a great parkside boat ramp in a suburb just across the river from Hobart City. Today we wanted to test out Courageous and see if the repairs that we'd made have been successful. But most importantly, we really wanted to get the kids in the water. You might have gathered from some of our videos that one of my main missions is to get these two boys into the drink and have some fun off the screen and in real life. Let's see how we did today. We were very lucky to be joined by our friends Ben and Lockie to help us try some new modifications to Courageous. Courageous is our 14-foot hue and pine clinker, and today we tried a new topping lift on her to see if we could stop the boom in the gaff from dropping on our heads while we were rowing. Ben also helped us with our new anchor and gave me a little refresher on how to splice the rope. We've also done a few repairs to Courageous's centreboard, and you might notice a few loose planks in there, but it's all in the hope that we can stop her from being such a sieve and not give the kids so much of a bilge pump experience. So into the water she went for a lovely little row. Time to have some fun.
You tell me when to turn before then. Look, you've got the teller down there, you can turn it. You take over steering.
Now you just move straight towards the boat.
No, we're turning around. How does that work?
When the oars go out,
Just go back on the tiller. I don't feel confident enough to be.
you know the Elder Guardians in Minecraft?
Yep.
The reflection from the oars is just like their name.
Okay, then.
Okay, so not all of the repairs worked and she still leaked pretty badly, but overall everyone had a fantastic time. We love this little boat and we'll love her even more when she's not leaky. Thanks for joining us. See you again next time.